to Dance Geek. I'm Claire. Totally admitting that the title for this video is completely clickbait. But it's clickbait based very, very heavily in fact. There are a lot of things that we do in dance classes that are so, I think, second nature to us as teachers that we just don't pick up on it anymore. We don't focus on the right things. We're not focusing necessarily on the safe things, if that makes sense. So today I'm giving you a different perspective of common dance warm-ups, stretches, and exercises. Now that's probably what the title should be of this video, but no one's going to click on that. That's a bit boring and clinical. So in order to actually make this video a bit more appealing, I gave it a bit of a controversial clickbaity title. So my hair is annoying me today so much, but that's you. I use YouTube a lot as a dance teacher because I like learning different ways of teaching things, because dance has changed so much since I was a dance student myself. When steps like leg hold turns came in to the regular dance comp world, I was like, I've only ever seen rhythmic gymnasts do this. How am I going to teach that to my students? I didn't want to just go try it out myself, stick my leg out, see what happens. So what I did was looked at lots of different online resources of how to teach leg hold turns, and then applied those methods to my own existing knowledge. Now there needs to be a little bit of a reverse of that. Rather than learning new steps, I feel like we need to go back to basics and relearn how to teach those basics to a new generation of dance students who have new requirements and new goals. There's also a huge safety element in this. Dance medicine has been exploding over the last few years and I love it. We know so much more now about the lasting and ongoing harm that some dance training can do. So my generation of dancers who were training predominantly in the late 80s and through to the 90s, we're the generation that have a lot of injuries because we were pushing our flexibility too hard. We were kind of on that little cusp of old school exploding into new school, when acro started coming in, when hip hop started coming in, and when hyper flexibility started coming into the studio world of dance. And that was a really difficult time for teachers because there were these pressures to teach these new skills with not necessarily the understanding of what that's going to do long term. So rather than just going, like in my day we were taught, you know, stretch. If you want to be more flexible, just stretch further. And that's when oversplits and overstretching became a thing in the studio system. You don't need to do new stretches. You just need to look at the way you were teaching the existing stretches and just rethink what you focus on. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests, I'm going to be doing a whole series of these sorts of videos. So reframing, teaching things differently, different perspective stuff. But if you have any specific requests for videos like this one or any kind of dance related video, please pop it in the comments, because I am always looking to give more information out there. I am a true geek when it comes to dance. I love learning new things. I collect so much information as far as dance and performance goes because it's just my obsession. So I'd love to share that with you. If you want any new videos specifically created for you, let me know and I'll do it for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!